Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the HP 150 in-ear headset. On the front of the box, we can see the earphones itself through this clear plastic packaging. On the bottom, we have 4 of the salient features, which include a 3.5mm jack, microphone, on-off button, and 2 earbuds. There's simply some HP branding on the top. There's nothing on the left-hand side. Nothing of significance on the right either. On the bottom we simply have some barcodes, and on the back we have a sticker that has the importing and manufacturing information right here, and on the bottom right we have the customer care details. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material in the form of product notices. It has some safety and regulatory information in a bunch of languages. Next, we have the worldwide warranty information. This too is in a whole lot of languages, and we recommend that you read through this thoroughly, and we once again please consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Lastly, we have the quick start guide, and this should help you get started off with using the device. We also get an additional pair of ear tips, and they are of a different kind from the ones that are already on the earbuds. The ones that are on the earbuds have this loop on them, but for any reason, in case this one is uncomfortable, you can use the more simpler ones that have been provided. Coming down the cable, we have the inline control module with just one button on it. This button can be used to play or pause the music and also to answer or cut calls. The cable itself is approximately 44 inches long, and on the end of the cable we have a TRRS 3.5mm headphone jack. The cable is also of the flat type, so hopefully it should keep the tangles away. To get started with using these earphones, all we need is a compatible device, and any device that supports a 3.5mm audio jack is compatible. In this case, we will be using an Android smartphone. Now we can use these earphones to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the HP 150 in-ear headset. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.